This right here is $500. $500 is exactly what I charge to complete a simple service. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that exact same thing. In this video, you will learn how you can earn $5,000 from Instagram for free without followers. So if you don't have a big million follower account, don't worry. It doesn't even matter if you have 1 follower to your name. I'm going to show you a free method that works where you can earn $500 every single time. Again, it only takes 10 of these every single month for you to make $5,000 per month. Now, one thing I can tell you about what I'm going to show you, we're going to jump into the computer in just a second, and I'm going to show you this step by step. All right, so if you have questions on any of this throughout the video, please just comment down below and let me know what you're hung up on, and I will try to answer your question so that you can start making money today. Now, I just want to be very blunt. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will take a little bit of work. I'm going to show you what to do, how to do it. I'm going to give you all the resources. So if you're ready, let's go. So this is how this system works. This is how this business idea or opportunity will work for you. So if you want to make $5,000 for free with Instagram without followers, here's what you need to do. Go to Instagram.com, create an account. Again, you do not need followers, you just need an account. Here's what I suggest you do. We are going to target network marketing companies, or MLM. These are different companies like, I have a list right here. There are different companies like Amway, Herbalife, Avon. This could also include things like Beachbody, LuLaRoe, It Works, Sensi, Primerica. Okay, different companies like this, Mary Kay. Now, here's what we're going to do. The whole point of this, first we start with Instagram. Hopefully you already have an Instagram account. The next thing we need to do is we need to identify people with an Instagram account that have a website where they are trying to sell or promote their multi-level marketing business. Now, we do this and we use a free tool, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But the tool, it's called Pixel Helper. Now, the reason why we want to do this is because we want to identify people that have this website that do not have a Facebook pixel on their website. And we do this so that we can retarget people with a Facebook ad. Now, what am I charging $500 a piece for? First, I'm charging $500 to identify the website. I'm charging $500 to go and install the Facebook pixel. And the last thing I do is I charge $500 to create the very first ad for that person and set up their retargeting campaign. That's what I charge $500 a piece for. Now, I do not do extensive, I'm not their marketing manager. I don't go and manage their ad. I don't go and look at it ever again unless they decide to pay me a monthly payment, right? So this $500 one-time payment could turn into a $500 monthly fee. This could turn into thousands of dollars. But again, I only charge $500 because it's very simple, very quick, very easy. And again, people that do multi-level marketing in most cases don't have a lot of money to start. So build them up and then you can charge them. So you're probably thinking, well, I don't know how to install a Facebook pixel. Well, you will. There's a website out there, it's called Facebook, where you can go to facebook.com/business, and it will teach you everything you need to know about getting started, right? Here you go. How to create a Facebook ad, right? Now, you're probably thinking, well, I don't know how to create a Facebook ad. Don't worry. There's a cool little website out there called Facebook. Go to facebook.com/business, and you can go and learn how to create an ad. This is 5 steps to create a Facebook ad from your page. Very simple, very basic, and Facebook teaches you everything you need to know. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, I get it. I see what we're doing now, but where do I begin? Well, you begin on Instagram. We need to find a site. We need to find a site that does not have the Facebook pixel installed. Now, there is a tool that you need. You can see it right up here. It's this one right here. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. Now, this tool right here, when it's on a website that doesn't have Facebook pixel installed, this will stay gray. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to type in, let's type in It Works, because this is a company I know that I have used multiple times in the past to target. I'm just going to type in It Works, hit enter. Well, that didn't work. That didn't work. It Works. And let's see, we'll just go right here. It Works. Hair, skin, nails. This is one of their products, I think. So, we come here, we're going to click on all these different images. Okay? Let's see, Real Talk with Coop. Alright, we're going to open that up. Here she is. This is her. Chelsea Testerero Cooper. My name's Coop, Shocky Wife, whatever. Let's chat goals. And here is a link. We're going to click on that link and see where it takes us. Let's chat. Okay, cool. Now this is not actually her website. I'm pretty sure this is not her website. I'm pretty sure this is one, yeah, it's just a kind of template site. Anyway, apply to become an influencer on my team. Be mentored by me. Let's be Facebook friends. Apply for the 3 steps that have physically changed. Okay, this, you can see right here, this is just a form. Yeah, I'll show you to you really quick. But here's her form. Jotform. Now she does not own Jotform, so this would not work. But you can see right here, there is no Facebook pixel on this website. So if she owned this website, we could do something with it. Being that she doesn't own this website, we can't really do anything there. So now we're gonna go to the next one. Let's just click on this one right here. Alec Works. Click on that. It's in a different language, so I'm not even gonna bother with that one. Again, this is all I'm going to do. Come right here, Piper Noble Bags. There we go. Piper Noble. Now this person, this is her actual website right here. This is good. This is what we want to see. Now what we don't want to see is this to turn a color. Let's see. This right here, Piper Noble Bags. She does have Facebook Pixel on her website. You can see it right here. Facebook Pixel. She has the page view. She has page view for troubleshooting. Or for the other page, okay, right there you can see she has 3 pixels found on Piper Noble. That's what we don't want to see. If she didn't have this, that is when I would reach out to Piper Noble and I'd let her know, hey, this is what I do, this is how I can help you. Yes, I do charge for it, but you know, it's something, it's very easy, very simple. I can show you how to do it afterwards, but it's only $500 and I'll get you set up with a Facebook retargeting ad. Now, so you can see right there, right? You can see how we identified a site. However, they had a Facebook pixel on there, so we couldn't go and really target them yet. We couldn't add a Facebook pixel, and we couldn't make a Facebook ad for them. They already probably had it. So I'm gonna go back and do it again. Okay, and you see here how this is all we're really doing. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, and this is where you're putting in that time. Now she has a Linktree account. We're going to open that up. Okay. Influencer application, YouTube. So this would be a no. Okay, we'll move on to the next person. Okay, and we just keep going and going and going till we identify somebody that has a site with no Facebook pixel on it. So we come right here. Shorty's Barbershop. Let's click on that one. Let's go and look. Okay, thank you, our loyal customers. We're finally back open. Cool. This is one we could target. Look at this. Okay, they have their prices. Cool, sounds good. Like it. Now, I landed on this website. But here's the problem. They don't have Facebook Pixel. It says no pixels found on shortiesbarbershop.com. Okay, here's the problem with this. I just landed on their site. Now, they can't retarget me. If I go and click this X up here, I'm gone forever. They will never see me again. So, it would make sense for Barber Tina, Christina Marie Balin or whatever right here, probably from Shorty's Barbershop. It would make sense. Let's put a Facebook pixel on this site so that we can, again, we just found a site. We're going to add Facebook pixel, and then we're going to go and create a Facebook ad for them. So here's what I would do. I'd come over here to her page, and I would send her a message. This is why you need an Instagram account, because now we're going to send her a direct message on her Instagram account and let her know, hey, this is what we do. I'm not sure if you are the owner. a manager or just a salon worker, but here's what I do. I think I could really help you out, help you get more customers. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please send me a message back and we can discuss this further. That's all I'd write. And then I'd move on to the next one. I'd come back here and I'd do the same thing over and over and over again. Okay? And I just keep doing it. Let's come right here, find this one. All right, click on this. Diamond Ayala University. Okay, here we go. Here's her website. Cool. I like it. Looks interesting from my blog, but she doesn't have the Facebook pixel on here. So I would come here. I just identified. Okay. I was on Instagram. I identified a site. This one right here. And now the next step is I need to go and see if I can add Facebook pixel to it because she doesn't have it. And then I'd go and create an ad. Again, I charge $500 to do this. And again, it's very simple and it's easy to do. Now let me give you a couple tips when it comes to making $500 a time. First off, people are not just going to hire you because they say, I can do that. Just because you say, I can do that for you, doesn't mean they're going to go and fork over $500 in cold hard cash for you to do it, or send you $500 to PayPal. That's not how it works, right? That would be great, but that's not how it works. If you don't have a reputation, okay? If they can't trust you, why would they just send over $500? So here's what I do. The first thing I would do, if you're just starting out, brand new, maybe only charge $100 to $200. That's it. $100 to $200 for the first, few people, just so that you can get some money coming in. All right. Now, once you do this, once you charge between $100 and $200, the first thing I would do is people are not going to pay you. They won't pay you. They will not pay you, and they will refuse to pay you until after it has been done. So here's what I recommend you do. If let's say you charge $200, the first thing I would say is go and install their Facebook pixel. The next thing I would say is go and create a Facebook ad. And then say, all right, I just did the Facebook pixel. I just made the Facebook ad for you. Can you send over $100? In most cases, they will send it over. Here's the reason why. You just went and added Facebook pixel, and then you create an ad. You didn't give it to them. You just showed it to them. Okay, and maybe with the with the trademark or copyright over the top of it. Okay, and so they get a watermark and they can't use it like that. So again, they just paid you $100. The next thing you're going to do after you get paid, for some of the work, is you're going to go and set up their retargeting campaign inside their Facebook Business Manager. Now, they will have to give you access to that. If they don't give you access to it, then you can't actually do it, right? So they can go and give you access. You do not need access to their cards or anything like that. Go and create the ad for them. Go and set up the whole thing. And then they can go and add stuff later on. If they need to go and change a credit card, they can go and do that. And then once it's all done, right before you go and submit everything and approve it, they pay you an extra $100. And then you just got paid everything that you were owed. One other tip that's going to be more important than anything you will ever hear here on this video is that you will not get somebody to say yes the very first time. You will have to send dozens, maybe even hundreds of messages before you get people to agree that yes, I like the idea, please do that for me. And again, that's why I'm showing you a bunch of different multi-level marketing companies, because there are some that make a lot more money than others. There are some people that do a lot better. There are some people that are just starting out. So to pay $500 a time or $500 initially to somebody that you don't know and your business isn't even making that much money a month doesn't make sense. So that's why I'm telling you, charge $100 to $200 initially and then work your way up to $500. There has been clients I've charged a lot more than $500, but again, they make a lot more money and I know that. So if you have any questions whatsoever on how to earn $5,000 from Instagram without followers, then please ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something that is useful and you will use, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.